Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of digital microscopes. Whether you're an electronics repair professional, a science enthusiast, or just curious about the micro world, we've got you covered. We'll be looking at the top 5 digital microscopes that are perfect for a variety of tasks from coin inspection to biology. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Xmsj digital microscope. The Xmsj digital microscope offers an impressive set of features for enthusiasts and professionals alike, making it a valuable tool for electronics repair, biological research, and hobbyist exploration. Let's dive into its standout features and examine the pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Pros: large 10.1-inch IPS LCD screen. The 10.1-inch IPS LCD display is one of the biggest advantages of this microscope. The large size offers a generous workspace, while the IPS technology ensures vibrant color reproduction and a 178° viewing angle, so you can view the screen comfortably from nearly any position. This wider angle also makes it easier to collaborate with others, as multiple people can observe the screen at once. High-quality camera with 1080p video. The 12MP camera delivers excellent image quality, making it ideal for both capturing still images and recording videos. The 1080p resolution ensures high clarity, which is particularly useful for documenting electronics repair processes or exploring biological samples with fine details. This microscope is a great tool for those who need to document their work or share findings with others in real time. Includes 5 biological glass slides. The inclusion of 5 biological glass slides makes this microscope a versatile tool for those interested in biology as well as electronics. These slides allow you to immediately start exploring a range of specimens, from plant cells to microorganisms. This feature adds educational value for students and hobbyists wanting to explore the micro world. Cons: limited portability. The 10.1-inch screen size, while advantageous for visibility, also means that this microscope is less portable than smaller digital microscopes. If you need a microscope that you can easily carry to different locations, the Xmsj digital microscope size might be a drawback. It's more suited for stationary use in a lab or workbench setup. The Xmsj digital microscope is an outstanding tool for professionals and hobbyists who need a reliable, high-performance microscope for electronics repair, biological exploration, and detailed documentation. Its 10.1-inch IPS LCD screen, 12MP camera, and versatile features make it a powerful device that excels in both functionality and durability. Coming in at number 4, the Tomlov DM9 Pro digital microscope. The Tomlov DM9 Pro digital microscope is an upgraded model designed for precision tasks such as circuit board soldering, watch and clock repair, coin inspection, and even plant and jewelry observations. With its high-definition output and advanced features, the DM9 Pro stands out in the competitive market of digital microscopes. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, this microscope offers powerful magnification, a wide viewing angle, and convenient features like wireless remote control and dual lighting systems. In this video, we'll break down its features and weigh the pros and cons to help you decide if this microscope is the right tool for your needs. Pros: high-definition image quality. The 1080p resolution and 16MP photo resolution deliver outstanding image clarity, making it ideal for precision tasks. Wide range of magnification with a magnification range from 10x to 1200x. Users can view anything from large objects like coins to tiny components on circuit boards. Larger display for better visibility. The 7-inch IPS screen is larger than many comparable models, providing a comfortable and detailed view of objects under observation. Durable and stable build. The aluminum bracket and base offer excellent durability and stability, reducing the risk of shakes or movements while using the microscope. Dual light system. The combination of LED lights around the lens and adjustable side lights provides enhanced visibility, especially for zoomed-in objects or detailed work. Wireless remote. The remote control feature is convenient for taking photos and videos without moving the microscope, improving the quality of your recordings. HDMI and USB output options. The ability to connect to larger screens via HDMI or USB adds versatility, whether you are documenting findings or displaying them to an audience. Cons: limited portability. Due to its larger screen, extended bracket, and metal construction, the DM9 Pro is not as portable as smaller, more compact digital microscopes. It is better suited for desktop use. The Tomlov DM9 Pro digital microscope offers an excellent combination of high-definition resolution, versatile magnification, and user-friendly features such as dual lighting and wireless remote control. Its robust build and extended bracket make it particularly appealing to coin collectors, hobbyists, and professionals working on precision tasks like soldering and watch repair. At number 3, we have the Elikliv EDM11S Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EDM11S Digital Microscope is a versatile tool designed to cater to various applications, from viewing microscopic organisms to inspecting electronic components. With dual lenses, a large LCD screen, and multiple connectivity options, it offers flexibility for both professional and educational uses. In this video, we discuss its features, along with the pros and cons to help you decide if this digital microscope is right for you. Pros. Dual lenses for versatility. One of the standout features of the Elikliv EDM11S is its dual lens system. This unique design incorporates both a 50x500x digital lens for observing macroscopic objects like coins, circuit boards, insects, and plants, and a 200x2000x microbial lens for more detailed observations of cells, microorganisms, and slides. This versatility makes the EDM11S suitable for a wide range of applications, from electronics work to biological studies. 7-inch large IPS LCD screen. The 7-inch IPS LCD screen provides a large and clear view of your subject matter. The screen delivers vibrant colors and sharp images, ensuring that even the smallest details are visible. The adjustable screen, which supports a 90-degree tilt, enhances user comfort, allowing for easy viewing from different angles during long observation sessions. Remote control for easy operation. The included remote control adds convenience, allowing users to take pictures, record videos, or adjust settings without physically touching the microscope. This feature minimizes vibrations during use, ensuring a steady and clear view of the object, which is especially important when working at high magnifications. Adjustable LED lighting. The Elikliv EDM11S comes equipped with adjustable lights, allowing users to control the brightness and illumination of their subjects. This flexibility ensures that objects are well lit and clearly visible, whether you're examining a reflective surface like a coin or viewing transparent slides under the microbial lens. Cons. Complexity of dual lens system. Although the dual lens system is one of the biggest selling points of the EDM11S, switching between the digital lens and the microbial lens may require some practice, especially for beginners. Users unfamiliar with microscopy may find it challenging to adjust focus and lighting optimally for different types of subjects. The Elikliv EDM11S digital microscope is a feature-rich tool perfect for users who require a versatile microscope for various tasks, from coin inspection and electronics repair to biological studies. Its dual lens system, 7-inch IPS screen, and remote control functionality make it a convenient and powerful device for detailed work. Next up at number 2 is the Rievbcau DM12 digital microscope. The Rievbcau DM12 digital microscope is a feature-rich, versatile tool designed to cater to both professionals and hobbyists alike. From soldering and coin collection to outdoor exploration, the DM12 offers a wide range of functionalities, making it an impressive addition to the digital microscope market. With a 10.1-inch IPS display, 50x to 2000x magnification, and real-time voice recording, this microscope is built to provide an immersive and detailed observation experience. In this video, we will explore the key features, as well as the pros and cons of the Rievbcau DM12, to help you determine if it suits your needs. Pros. Large IPS screen. The 10.1-inch IPS display offers vibrant colors and high clarity, making it easy to observe small details without straining your eyes. The large screen is perfect for those working on intricate tasks or presenting findings to others. Wide magnification range. With a magnification range of 50x to 2000x, the DM12 allows for detailed exploration of a variety of objects, from coins to biological specimens. This wide range makes it a versatile tool for both hobbyists and professionals. External display connectivity. The HDMI output makes it easy to connect the DM12 to a larger monitor or TV, which is helpful for group settings, workshops, or educational environments. This feature improves collaboration and sharing of discoveries. Outdoor functionality. With support for electricity and a separate battery for the magnifying glass with light, the DM12 is a great option for those who want to explore the micro world in outdoor settings. This adds an element of portability and flexibility, making it ideal for fieldwork. 32GB TF card for storage. The included 32GB TF card ensures that users have plenty of space to store their captured images and videos, allowing them to document their observations without worrying about running out of storage. Cons. Limited battery life for outdoor use. While the DM12 is designed for outdoor exploration, the separate battery for the magnifying glass may limit how long users can explore in the field without recharging. Users should be mindful of battery life when planning extended outdoor sessions, The Rievbcau DM12 digital microscope is a powerful tool with a wide range of features designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Its 10.1-inch IPS display, 50x2000x magnification, and real-time voice recording make it a standout choice for those who need high-definition visuals and versatile functionality. Whether you're a professional working with electronics, a coin collector, or a hobbyist exploring nature, the DM12 offers a lot of value. Finally, at number 1, we have the Inskam digital microscope. The Inskam digital microscope is a versatile and user-friendly device designed to deliver high-quality imaging for a range of applications, from electronics repair to coin identification. Featuring a large, rotatable screen, a wide magnification range, and advanced lighting options, this microscope offers a seamless viewing experience for hobbyists and professionals alike. We break down the key features of the Inskam digital microscope along with its pros and cons to help you determine if it's the right tool for your needs. Pros. 10.1-inch rotatable IPS screen. The 10.1-inch IPS screen is one of the standout features of the Inskam digital microscope. With 1920p HD resolution and a 12-megapixel ultra-precision camera, this screen delivers crystal-clear images and videos, allowing you to observe even the tiniest details with ease. The screen is also 90-degree rotatable, which not only offers better viewing angles but also helps reduce eye and neck strain during extended observation sessions. 50x1200x magnification. With a magnification range of 50x to 1200x, this microscope is well suited for both casual and detailed inspections. Whether you're examining a circuit board or identifying minute details on a coin, the microscope offers a range of zoom levels to fit your needs. The 8 LEDs and 2 spotlights ensure that your subject is well lit, providing better clarity, especially when viewing three-dimensional objects. Remote control and touch control. The Inskam digital microscope comes equipped with both remote control and touch control features. The 2.4G remote control allows you to operate the microscope from a distance, making it easier to adjust settings without disturbing the microscope. Additionally, the touch control feature provides an intuitive way to interact with the device. Combined with the metal base, stand, and holder, these features ensure the microscope remains stable during use, especially during precision tasks like electronics repair. Cons. Short battery life. While the 3000 mAh battery is a nice feature, 2 hours of battery life may not be sufficient for extended observation sessions, especially if you're working on projects that require continuous use. For longer inspections, you will need to keep it plugged in, which can limit its portability and convenience. The Inskam digital microscope is a powerful and versatile tool, ideal for users who require a wide range of magnification and the ability to capture detailed images and videos. Its 10.1-inch rotatable screen, PC connectivity, and remote touch control make it a standout option for coin collectors, electronics repair professionals, and science enthusiasts.